Hello there, welcome to Tere Technique. We have this C-Class, this is C180 from 2009 model, and here you can see we have removed its original screen from factory. This car has two different styles of screen or multimedia units. This one is small screen without any navigation or other stuff. It's basic radio with Bluetooth. So we replaced this unit with our Android screen. This is a 9-inch Android screen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You can see the fitting of the screen. It's model compatible with this car. You can see all the original functions like steering wheel buttons are working. So first of all, we can show you the reverse camera that we have connected with the car from factory. It has no camera, only the sensors. So right now here you can see the camera is working automatically with reverse gear. I will park the car. So then again, this is the Apple CarPlay. I will show you later on. First of all, this is the home menu. In the home menu we have like this is the shortcuts button. You can remove or add the shortcuts from here. First of all, we have Netflix, YouTube, Spotify, Index Navigation, Apple CarPlay. So this is the Apple CarPlay. From here you can access Apple CarPlay. Your mobile will connect wirelessly with CarPlay. So you can see right now my iPhone is connected without any cable, anything. So this unit came with two USB ports. One is for that we have installed here. The other one is inside with the SIM card slot as well. So in the CarPlay you can use like Siri. You can use all kind of navigations with Siri as well, or with the keypad as well. So here you can see with touch all your navigation is working. If I tap again here, so here are the more applications: phone, music, Apple Maps, messaging, now playing. This is back button for going back to the home menu. We have podcast, audiobooks, then we have calendar. Like all the applications that you have in your mobile phone are appear here. So for example, this is the Swedish radio. So you can see like the radio is working normally without any problem. Here we can see, we can go back to the home menu again. Here we have lots of other applications. First of all, we have the Play Store, App Store. This App Store is for downloading menus, themes for this Android unit. Then we have one more App Store, that is here, the Play Store. You can download any kind of application from Play Store. If I go again on the back side, we have App Store, we have aux, we have Bluetooth. In the Bluetooth you can connect your mobile phone. We have Bluetooth music, we have calculator, we have CarLink. CarLink is basically Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. If you have an iPhone, you can connect your mobile phone with the Apple CarPlay. If you have an Android, you can use Android Auto. We have the Chrome, we have equalizer. This screen is equipped with DSP RDS. You can see we have all the functions for sound are available here. Then again, this screen, this display is QLED display. We have 3 different qualities for this screen. So you can contact us and you can ask what is the difference. We have explanation, we have videos about the all 3 screens. Then we have like equalizer, fan here. This screen is equipped with a cooling system. Right now it's on auto. When the CPU will go above 52 degrees, 50 degrees, so it will turn on automatically. So right now you can see here is the CPU and everything. Then we have like file manager. Here is the file manager. In the file manager we have the files. You can copy, like move or adjust your files. Then we have gallery, we have Google, we have HD DVR. Right now the DVR is not connected, but you can connect your DVR as well with this screen. Then again, on coming to the app menu, we have a music player. Here we have lots of music files. I can show you just all. So you can check. So so you can play any kind of music from here. We have the navigation. This is the offline navigation here for the whole Europe. This works without internet. As you can see, we are not connected with any kind of internet, and here it's showing Malmwagen 18D. With that, we are at Sollentuna, Malmwagen 18D. This is our visiting address, you can see. So if you go back, we will turn off navigation. We have like Google Maps as well, but definitely it needs the internet to work. But you can download offline maps as well. From here you can download offline, select your own map, so you can download like pretty much Stockholm area or anywhere you want. Then again, we have a radio here, same like original one. So here you can see I have some saved channels. So you can see the radio works fine. We have some settings. We have Spotify. So from Spotify you can play your music directly on the screen. I don't have the internet or the account connected with the screen, but you can use easily. Then we have this touch assistant button as well for the usage of this touch assistant, same like iPhone. Then we have a video player. This is the internal video that we have in the unit. So you can see here, so it's an HD screen, QLED display. It's a very good screen, so you can watch easily your HD videos here. Then we have voice search, we have Yandex Navi. This is another kind of navigation that we have in the screen. You need to download this for your specific area, or you need the internet. So here I have established the connection, just need the internet to work or download. We have the YouTube also works while driving, but you need to connect the screen with the CarPlay internet. Right now it's not connected with any kind of internet. I can show you how you can connect the internet with this screen. So here I have opened my internet here. I will go to the double LAN, the Wi-Fi. I will turn on Wi-Fi here. So here is my mobile phone. I have connected recently, so it's already connected, so it will go directly on the Wi-Fi. Then you can see we have like maps here that will work without any problem. So they are asking for account, but I can download the maps as well for offline. If I download like this, it will download the map directly on the screen without need of internet. It will download like offline map. So here you can see it's 57%, so it's downloading here. We will wait until it will go to the 100. You can download like up to 400 MBs. So it's upon your city, how much big is your city. So we can download from here, for example, the whole Stockholm, the capital of Sweden. So that's possible. We can download 2-3 times, but more than 2-3 times. So you can download some more times to for your own usage. I will go on the home menu. Here we have the YouTube app as well, so I will show you how this YouTube works. For example, this is the home menu of YouTube. If we write for example, we say GTR 35. So you can see here like it's working normally. So right now it's the ad, so I will skip this one. But your normal YouTube is working without any problem. I will increase the quality. Here you can see the quality of the screen. So it will work while driving as well. As I told, this is a QLED display, so the quality of display is very nice. So here you can see, by tapping the screen you can go like again back. So from here you can choose another video, anything. So that's the video for today. If you have any questions, queries, so you can contact us in the description below. I will provide all the contact information in the description, so you can purchase from us from Sweden. We will ship you from Sweden. So that's the video for today. If you have any questions, queries, ask us in the comments below or contact us. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.